If there's one thing that customers pay a lot of attention to when shopping online, it's the quality of a store's web design and product photography. This can often be the difference between a sale and an abandoned cart. Luckily, getting professional-looking photography doesn't have to be that hard or expensive. Here's how to do it. We're using the window light technique, so find a room with a window letting in soft, even lighting, a table, a smartphone or camera if you have one, matte white paper or poster board, foam core, scissors, and tape. If you have a lot of products, you can create a list or spreadsheet detailing each product and the angles you want for them. First, position the table 90 degrees from the window and as close to it as possible without being in direct sunlight. You also want to turn off any lights in the room. Find your poster board and tape its edges to the wall. Make sure to leave enough room so that your product sits on the bottom of the paper. Then prepare the foam core, scoring it down its center with scissors to make a corner. This will go on the other side of your product from the window in order to bounce light back, softening any shadows and evening out the lighting. If you don't have foam core, you can also use something like a white shoebox. Really, all you need is a rigid reflective surface that can stand up on its own. If you have a camera, use that, but if not, you can get great results with a smartphone. It's usually best to use a horizontal or landscape orientation, but if you have a tall product like a bar stool, a vertical or portrait orientation works. Frame your shot so that the product is centered evenly within the image, and the angle the camera head-on with the product, or move it to a higher angle. On a smartphone, just hold your finger down on the product to have the autofocus and exposure lock in place. You can adjust the exposure as needed by sliding up and down on the screen. Capture any other key details and multiple angles of your products. Since customers can't physically touch the product, they'll appreciate seeing multiple angles of it on your site. Once you've taken all your pictures, take time to look over your hard work and see if any touch-ups are needed. You can do this yourself if you know your way around photo editing software on your computer, or you can use an app on your phone to correct the color. With these professional-looking photos, you can expect customers to feel a heightened sense of confidence in your products and brand that can easily translate to an increase in sales. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.